guys, and it is sheet mask review time again. So we're finally doing this one by Comelyco, and it is the Rest Recipe Peach Mask. So this is from a K-beauty brand that admittedly, I can't find a website for this brand, which is a little sus. I can't find a dedicated retailer of this brand, which is also sus. I see resellers who resell them in packs of like 5 for like $10. I've seen people sell like 10 for like about $10 on eBay. Like, there's a wide range, and I cannot quite figure out what these actually go for or where they are originally bought from. So hopefully it's not going to destroy my face or anything. Anyway, it says a clarifying mask contains peach extract for fresh, clear skin. 100% natural cotton mask, peach extract, 1000 ppm, whatever that means. Directions: cleanse face and apply toner. Did that. Step 2, gently place the mask onto face and adjust for best fit. Step 3, leave on 15 to 20 minutes and remove. And step 4, gently tap remaining essence for best absorption. Okay. So, not for resale, made in Korea. Manufacturer, Feel Cosmetickorea.co. Maybe I'll look them up. But anyway, so we're going to go ahead, tear this open. It literally feels like a paper sachet, which is a little weird, but definitely has foil on the inside, so. Oh, that smells good. Oh my goodness. Doing it slowly to get the excess essence to stay in there. A little fuzzy on it. Probably from my clothes, so. Anyway. Where are we unfolding from? The strange thing is it doesn't necessarily smell peachy, as it just smells perfumey, but it smells good, so I'm not complaining in either case. Okay, so does it go this way or the other way? I don't think it really matters, so I'm gonna go like this. There's like a really thick bar in between the nose and mouth for this one. Like, it's either going to be on my mouth or up my nose, basically, and I have to just, like, deal with it. Okay, I'm going to put my mask holder over it. Something like that anyway, and I will go set the timer and report back. Okay, so I left it on. It's kind of sticky, especially in like the points where it had room to pool, like under the chin. Not so much up here, but it felt good while it was on. It did get tingly, almost burny a little bit towards the start, but then it just kind of died down into tingly and then into nothing by the time the time was up. So probably just some kind of active ingredients that are actually doing a thing. But my face does feel hydrated and soft. It's just, it'd be great if it weren't so sticky and but it smelled really good while it was on, which I feel like definitely kind of just plays into the whole bougie factor, like self-care part of it. So it's definitely a good one for that, for just chilling and relaxing in. Definitely a good one for that, because like the aromatherapy aspect of it is amazing. So it has that going for it. But since I don't know what site they originally originate from, and I don't know what the actual true price point is on these, it's hard for me to say, are they worth the money or not? Would I buy this again? Yes. Have I bought this one more than once? Also yes. So, I mean, I like them, but I've also only ever bought them through Ipsy. So, I don't know. It's hard to say, but just as a mask in general, do I like it? Yeah, I like them. Like I said, I've bought it a few times over now. But, anyways, those are my thoughts on it. So, if you can find them affordably, go for it. But, anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything more. It's all down below. And if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.